Okay, tell me if this right, people. Okay, this Torment Red Pitney. The chat box saying want prove a point. Prove a point say are the two of them they make that sound here. You hear that, people? You hear?
Yeah.
Tell me now. Eh?
So,
Him.
get HD quality video want. So now, going on the bags.
Man.
It's not mad.
It's mad. Saying one find out what a tool.
I don't want to find out. I tell people what causing those knives. They don't believe me.
What causing knives?
So, you will see. You will see. Alright, camera good.
No, sir, him mother did the power phone. No, him mother tell say a cricket.
Like this.
See a cricket making noise. So
Like this. 1, 2.
all the
Like
wait,
this.
look at it, eh? Look at
Like
it.
this.
Mic
1,
test
2.
the man they do. Mic
this.
test. Mic test. This right? Mad Max box. What tell me now? And this man have me out a door. You know the time man night boy him go look back. Him go try find. See? Try to find one frog.
Yo,
One frog.
you hear them? Listen.
Eh?
You
One
hear?
frog for make nice.
You hear them? Okay. Come now. Don't go too close. Don't go too close.
Yes or no?
Don't go too close. I want a good distance so we can catch the video properly. You want to scare my way in camera shy.
Eh?
Come. Look at this. Look at this. You see the screen?
One for the make nice.
Alright. Yeah. So I got my video. I put it on the laptop, put it together, and you see my perfect video of the toad making noise.